All right, guys, so first toe and foot exercise we want to work on is just spreading them out with our fingers. So you're just gonna bring one leg over the opposite knee from a seated position and literally just work on getting your fingers in between all of your toes and just spreading them like this. And it's gonna be tough when you first initially do it. You can even put like some lotion or olive oil on your fingers to help kind of get in there. But we want to start spreading out those toes. So we're just gonna be getting in there and you're gonna be flexing and extending all of your toes while they're being spread out like this. So over time, shoes compress those toes, so we want to start spreading out, getting as much range of motion as we can. And when I first started doing this, it was super, super painful. So just take your time with it. Even if you can get like 3 or 4 in, that's cool. But daily toe stretching. It takes a couple seconds. Try and go for about 30 seconds to a minute on each side, spreading and extending your toes.